Most people believe their mind works for them, but the truth is surprising. Most of the time, the mind is actually controlling them. Thousands of thoughts move through the brain every single day. Many appear automatically, without permission, and those thoughts quietly shape emotions and decisions. One small negative thought can change an entire day. A small doubt can destroy confidence. This is why learning to control the mind is one of the most powerful skills in life. To control the mind, we first need to understand how it works. The human mind has two important parts working together: the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind is the thinking part. It helps analyze situations, make choices, and solve problems. It is the voice inside the head that says, "What should I do next?" But the subconscious mind is much deeper. It stores memories, habits, fears, and beliefs. Most reactions come from this hidden part of the mind. Think of the subconscious mind like an autopilot system. It runs patterns that were created from past experiences. Sometimes these patterns help, but sometimes they limit us. This is why people often react before thinking. A harsh comment creates anger instantly. A small mistake creates unnecessary worry. The reaction feels natural and automatic, but the truth is that it comes from old mental programming. The mind simply repeats what it has learned before. Another powerful influence on thinking is mental filters. Mental filters decide how we interpret situations. Two people can see the same event but think completely differently. One person sees a challenge and thinks about growth. Another person sees the same challenge and feels fear. The difference is not the situation, but the mental filter. These filters are created slowly over time. Past memories, experiences, and repeated thoughts shape them. Without awareness, they silently control reactions. This is why controlling the mind feels difficult. People try to fight their thoughts directly, but the real problem is deeper than the thoughts themselves. The real problem is unconscious thinking. Thoughts appear automatically, and people follow them without questioning. The mind becomes the leader instead of the tool. But the good news is this: the mind can be trained just like a muscle. With practice, focus and discipline become stronger. One powerful skill is awareness. Awareness means observing thoughts instead of reacting to them. This small shift creates a huge difference. When a negative thought appears, pause for a moment. Instead of believing it immediately, simply notice it. This pause breaks the automatic reaction. Another useful technique is naming the emotion. When frustration appears, quietly say in your mind, "This is frustration." This simple act reduces emotional intensity. Focus training is also important. Choose one task and give it full attention for several minutes. Over time, this strengthens mental control. Questioning thoughts is another powerful method. Ask yourself if the thought is truly helpful or simply fear. Many thoughts disappear when examined calmly. To understand this better, imagine a young man named Armin. Armin often felt overwhelmed by his thoughts. Small problems quickly turned into big worries in his mind. Before an important decision, his thoughts became chaotic. He imagined failure, criticism, and embarrassment. These thoughts made him hesitate again and again. One day, he learned something simple but powerful. Instead of fighting his thoughts, he started observing them. He watched them appear and disappear. At first, it felt strange and difficult. His mind kept jumping from one idea to another, but slowly, he began to understand something important. Thoughts were not commands. They were just mental events passing through the mind. He could choose whether to follow them or not. With daily practice, his reactions changed. He paused before responding to stressful situations. Calm thinking replaced automatic emotion. His focus also improved over time. Instead of worrying about many things, he focused on one step at a time. This made his decisions clearer and stronger. This transformation did not happen overnight. It required patience, awareness, and consistent effort. But the results were powerful. Controlling the mind is not about stopping thoughts. It is about guiding attention and choosing reactions wisely. That is the true meaning of mental discipline. When the mind becomes calm and focused, life changes. Decisions become clearer and emotions become balanced. And the person who once felt controlled by thoughts becomes the one who controls the mind.